Prepare your Tesla for your next drive with scheduled charging and scheduled preconditioning using the Tesla app or vehicle touchscreen. Schedule charging to specify which days and times you would like your Tesla to charge, and take advantage of off-peak charging costs. To create a charging schedule in the Tesla app, select Schedule from your vehicle's home screen. Choose between where your Tesla is currently parked or your saved locations for home and work. Then add a new schedule. Select Charging. Set your charging schedule. Then Create to save your changes. Your Tesla will now only charge when you want, even if your Tesla is plugged in. To achieve maximum range and performance, it's helpful to warm the cabin and battery before driving. Schedule preconditioning in the Tesla app by selecting Schedule, select the location, Add, Precondition, when you want your Tesla to precondition, and Create to save your changes. To create a charging or preconditioning schedule using your touchscreen, go to Controls, select Schedule, then specify the location where you want to create a schedule. Then set the time in which you would like your Tesla to be preconditioned by, as well as the desired dates. Your Tesla automatically saves your schedule for each location. You can add multiple preconditioning and charging schedules to fit your lifestyle, or delete the ones you don't need anymore. And you can toggle your preconditioning and charging schedules on or off if plans change. Preconditioning also occurs when using Trip Planner when navigating to a Tesla charging location to warm up the battery and speed up charge time. In cold weather, scheduled preconditioning can make your cabin cozy and improve performance. For more on Tesla products, subscribe to Tesla Tutorials on YouTube.